Hi, good morning. So, good morning to you, but you're just, I mean, this is the start of the video, so I wanted to say a huge congratulations to my buddy, Joel Millhouse, who will be transitioning as the new pastor within the next 5 years. Awesome. Love you, bro. We're going to be doing 5 things today. So first thing is we're going to get some lunch. Number 2, we're going to go to Little Steamers, which is this really amazing place in Riverside where you can, every other week, they have free train rides. Completely free. Awesome. You just have to wait in a line. That's it. So you're going to see that. That's great. Number 3 is going to do the gym. I'm going to the gym today. 4 is maybe cleaning the garage. I'm definitely gonna clean just a little bit. And then number 5 is the missus and I are gonna go out on a date today. So yeah. Are you eating your ice cream? Oh, I love you, Eli. Are you blowing kisses?
He's happy because he got some ice cream.
I know it. Eli, we're gonna go ride the choo-choo. What do you think about that?
Castle Park choo-choo.
No, not the Castle Park choo-choo. The normal choo-choo. You wanna go on the choo-choo?
Yes.
All right. We just came into Panera, but we put in our order in advance, and it's already ready. Those are my ninja skills. So quick update on my injuries I sustained from yesterday. I don't know if you can see this, but my hand is, hold on,
Yeah, they can see it.
Is a little red. I still have a thorn in there, and you can see it's starting to get infected just a hair. And there's actually 2 thorns still in my hand. So, still recovering from that huge mistake. I hope you guys laughed because I'm laughing about it now. It was ridiculous. Yesterday was just absurd. So, you ate all of it? Yay! Now you get to have lunch. Oh, your hands are clean. All right.
Hi.
Okay, so we got our food and we got our waters. Now we're gonna go see the choo-choo train. We're gonna go ride the choo-choo train. All right, let's go. Alright, so we made it safely here to Hunter Park here in Riverside, California to do the Little Steamers. I believe the website is like Little Steamers Riverside or something like that, so if you want more information about it, you can check it out. But fun fact about this place is I believe it's the nation's largest steam running miniature track. So people who have their own steamers come here or are members of the club and they drive their trains. Cool.
Please, no video or photography from this train while it's in motion.
No. You put it there. So you guys are on nearly purely off of donations, right? Awesome. So as you can see, there is like very little wait. We just walked in like, what, 2 minutes ago? We walked in 2 minutes ago, Eli, and we're gonna go on the train. Huh?
What do you think?
He's got some junk in his eye. His right eye. On the bottom. He's got like a little mucus. Yep, right there.
to a complete stop.
That is awesome. One of the things I love about this place is that it's obviously here at this beautiful park. It's got a great scene. And I don't know if you noticed this, but most of the riders are adults. This is the private club yard right here. This is where people load up their trains, or they work on them. They repair them right there. You can see a couple trains in the process of being worked on right there. Eli, do you want your own train too? No? Thank goodness. I hear these things are expensive. With these trains being steam engines, that means they run on steam power. So obviously they use wood, or they'll use coal to warm up the engines, and it takes the engines about an average about 4 hours to warm up completely where they're able to run. So really, really cool stuff. But these things are running off of fire and water. That was awesome. Do we want to go again?
Eli, do you want to go again, or do you want...
We're going again! So, I just clocked how long that train ride was.
How long?
1:07, 1:08, and it is now 1:25. So they're like 15-20 minute rides, which is awesome. We went on twice, and we had very little,
Poop.
Yeah, Eli's pooped. He almost fell asleep on the train. Now we got a quick errand to run at the Farmacia, and then family's gonna go home, then I'm gonna go to the gym. Walking into the gym. Have I mentioned how difficult it is to film and get a good workout at the same time? I don't want this to be super boring, you know, I want it to be interesting, but I'm trying to balance getting good footage for you guys, stopping my workout, setting up a camera, so that it's visually appealing versus getting a good workout. And because of that, I sort of haven't just yet. So we're gonna do something different today. We're gonna stop the camera. I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna get a workout in. But it's not even gonna be that long for you guys. See, it's just gonna be like, this is before workout, And good workout. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time to do step number 4 of video editing. Excuse me, of cleaning the garage. I think I'm gonna put that one off for either tomorrow or maybe next weekend and catch up on my editing. This shirt is normally gray, not black. Let's take a shower. All clean and spiffy now. Although I am seeing that I need a haircut. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that one's a beaut.
Go ahead. Are you gonna eat this one?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it. There's no bird that ate this one.
No.
You should be jealous.
I am. All right. We're going to our date. Okay, so here's the deal. Is that we're here at Sizzlers and we're gonna go in for a date. And I don't really want to share my date with you. Sorry, love you.
Bye.
Bye. So we're all done with dinner now, you guys. Which was really good. I had a salad, as you saw. It was a nice protein-filled salad. I enjoyed it, and I had a bunch of water. So yeah, that was just about it. I don't have anything fun or exciting to share other than I'm gonna go home and do a whole lot of editing. So now we're gonna go home.
You talking to yourself again? Hi, YouTube.
Was the date fun?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm pretty
it was
fun.
I'm good at dates. All right, so dinner was amazing.
I'm a good cook.
We went to Sizzler. Yeah, so we're gonna go home now and we'll see Eli. Oh man, what a day. Oh, such a busy day today. It's not even 9. I'm so tired, but I still got a ton of work to do. You're tired too, Eli? Come here. Say bye-bye. Do you like looking at yourself in the camera?
Yes.
Is that fun?
Yeah.
You want to go to the what store?
A muffin store.
Oh, you want to go to the muffin store. That's Cardenas, because he wants some muffins. You want to go to the muffin store?
Yes.
Right now?
Okay, Eli, come here. Come and say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye!